Good Thursday evening. The view from the airport. Of course, we're dealing with the rain, a little uptick in a breeze, but we are far from finished with rainfall in this tropical environment as we deal with what is now Tropical Depression Debby. Here's a look at First Alert Doppler radar. Over the last several hours, you see the general movement of all the rain from southeast to northwest. Now, as it encounters the perpendicular Blue Ridge Mountains, that's when you can enhance some of the rainfall rates because it's tropical air lifted over the mountains. So some of our higher totals are really expected along the Blue Ridge. It only gets worse here tonight, and already we have flash flood warnings. All the counties that you see shaded here in this lighter pink area, those are active flash flood warnings. I do anticipate we'll see a lot more across our area as we go through the next several hours. We'll zoom in a little closer. Some of these moderate yellows are indicative of rainfall rates upwards to almost ½ an inch per hour. And of course, that continues up through the Shenandoah Valley as well. So this is a widespread soaking rain on parched ground, but again, it may come too quickly and too fast, and that's where we run into issues. Flash flood warning there for Buckingham until 10:30. It will likely be extended, and there'll be a lot more. So be mindful if you live near small creeks and streams and other low-lying areas. All this around the circulation center of Tropical Depression Debby now, which is east of Charlotte, North Carolina. East and northeast of that center of circulation, that's where you can have quick spin-up tornadoes on some of these bands that come in. There's a lot of wind shear and change of direction with height in the atmosphere, and that causes the potential for a quick, short-lived tornado potential. There's the flood watch that'll continue into tomorrow with the heaviest activity tonight and early tomorrow. So 3 to 6+ inches across a good portion of the viewing area, higher amounts locally along the Blue Ridge Mountains, especially those eastern facing slopes. Louisa, Fluvanna, Buckingham currently under the tornado watch till 8. I do anticipate that will be expanded northbound here tonight. And so make sure you have a way to get warnings, either the 29 weather app or others. But again, the potential is there east of the center of circulation, which will be passing up through the Shenandoah Valley into tomorrow. Wind gust could approach 50 miles an hour at the higher terrain of the Blue Ridge Mountains, hence a wind advisory. Elsewhere, we're going to be dealing with gusts on the order of 20 to 40 miles an hour. There we go with some of the current numbers. They're pretty much in the low and mid 70s. They won't fall off all that much tonight. So here's Futurecast rendition of the radar taking us out in time here tonight. And you see these bands of rain, some heavy, and again, that quick spin-up tornado is possible east of that center of circulation. Tomorrow morning, there's still rain in the area, but then it begins to taper a bit. Now, most of the rain's in the morning. We could still have a shower or storm in the afternoon, but again, it will be breezy and then much improved conditions as we roll into the weekend. So there's your planner right now for Friday. Most of the rain in the morning. Again, that center of circulation will be passing off to the north and northwest as we head into tomorrow as that center of circulation becomes extra tropical and moves out of the region. Tonight, again, the rain heavy at times, temperatures in the lower 70s. Tomorrow, temperatures are in the 80s with mainly morning rain. It's still breezy. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. After the rain, a less humid and nicer weekend, but we'll be cleaning up from some of the activity, obviously, with the rain and debris that we're receiving tonight and into tomorrow.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We'll be right back.